Hey everybody, hi and welcome, and thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and the happy crew, my furry sidekicks. So Xena is in the house, or I should say outside of the house, I guess, today. But she is ignoring me right now because I've made her really work today, and she really doesn't like to work. And her performance review is coming up, and she's not going to do well. Wyatt is also here. Wyatt, you want to come say hi? But he is in bug chasing mode right now, so I'm sure you will see him shortly. Honestly, I don't think his performance review is going to go well this year either. All right, so I have my very favorite seasonal subscription box to share with you guys. I am so excited. Are you excited about this one, Z? Are you excited? Yes? See, she heard me talk about her performance review, so now she's trying to show up a little bit. My Oceanista box is here. This is when you know summer has started. Excuse you, Z. This is when you know summer has started, when your Summer Oceanista box shows up. I love my Oceanista box. JJ and her team do such an amazing job curating this box every single season and bring us landlocked beach lovers. We're landlocked mermaids, right? A little bit of beach love each and every season. Even for those that do live near the beach, you guys have got to love this box. It is so amazingly filled with beach-inspired beautiful pieces. If you're not familiar with Oceanista, I'll give you a quick rundown. It is $89 seasonal subscription. If you do sign up for the annual subscription, you do save some money, and it also makes you a VIP, which means that you will get early access if there are any decisions to make where you get some choices, which there was for this box, there was for the last box as well. You get 6 to 8 beach-inspired items. The value of these boxes is usually over $200 for the $89 that you pay. You do get over $200 worth of items. And I have a coupon code for you, of course. So if you do want to sign up for this subscription and use the code HAPPY10, you will get $10 off your first box. All right, enough of that. Let's get into this box. And do you not love this, how beautiful her boxes are? How pretty are these? Love the beach girl, sun hat, beach bag, on the beach, palm tree. I love it all. And I love the saying too. Salty hair, sandy toes. Every time my friend and I go to the beach, we always say beach hair don't care, right? Because you don't care. All right, so look at the inside of this box. I love it. I just want to savor it. And the theme for this box is Come Sail Away. She always gives you a nice pamphlet that will tell you about each of these items. Look at the beautiful little sticker there. There's so much thought and effort put into these boxes that is unbelievable, and I never want to just rip away. So I'm going to gently take my pieces out because I just love everything. So the very first thing I see here is says Let's Sail by Kristen. And that is a very pretty bracelet, and this was one of the choices that you got to pick which one you wanted. But you got to pick which color strap that you wanted, and this is made by the feature artist, who is Kristen Royster, and each of these is hand painted and unique. How beautiful is this? And the colors were sandy, sea, ocean fog, and seafoam blue. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this. I'm just going to put it on real quick. And there is so much information in the book, so check it out. This is adjustable, and look how pretty. I love it. Just looks like the beach, doesn't it? I love it. All right, let's keep going, because I could get so lost in all of this. It's not even funny. All right, so summer's never complete without a beach hat, is it? Never. And I am one of those people, I don't know about you guys, but because of how I part my hair and because I do not have the very thickest head of hair, I always burn the top of my part, like the top of my head where my part is. So a beach hat is a necessity for me. But this is adorable. Look how cute this is. And this is by San Diego Hat Company. Look at the cute little bow. Is that not adorable? I love it. How cute is that? Love it. I think I forgot to actually tell you also the value of the bracelet. I always try to tell you guys the value of each of these things. The retail value of this is $28, so you guys know. And it is handmade. It's each one of these, I think I did mention, is all handmade. All right, so the value of the This is the Women's Ribbon Paper Braid Stripe Sun Brim, it's called, and this is valued at $38. Is this not adorable? Love it. It's perfect for the sun, right? It keeps you don't even need sunglasses with this on. I love it. And it is adjustable. Love it. And UPF 50. So cute. All right, what other goodies do I have in here? What is this? Organic Body Scrub On Board Beach Bliss. This is awesome. Exfoliate and hydrate, made with all organic ingredients, sugar and salt to exfoliate and soften the skin. And this is 4 full ounces. Check that out. I love it. You always need this in the summer. This is so cool. And the value of this one is $12.99. $12.99 for this. All right, more. All right, this is organic face oil, also from On Board. This is Hydrate, made with all organic ingredients. Grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil for hydrating. And it goes on. I love this. I always need to hydrate, so this is super important. I love this. I love how it's all packaged so nicely. I just want to rip everything apart, but I don't want to take the time. This one retails for $34.99. And I can tell you all the pieces that I have gotten inside my packages, my boxes from Oceanista I have used and loved. $34.99. Okay. Ooh, what is this? This is another item. You got to pick which one you wanted by color. I love these. These by Okabe. Who does not love a pair of flip-flops? And these are awesome. So these are the Okabe Bristol flip-flop, valued at $30. See, everybody is just sending me things to set me up for a getaway that I do not have scheduled, but must schedule and go somewhere. Pretty soon I think I'm going to pack all this stuff up and like go in my backyard and lay in the pool and tell everyone not to talk to me. Maybe I'll invite my friend over and I'll just have a staycation, and we'll just like have delivery or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do something if I don't get away soon. I have to look at these shoes. I can't open it. Okay, so I got them out. Look how awesome these are. They're bendy. They have a nice thicker sole. I love these so much. I love the color. I did get to pick my color. They did come in, let's see, let me show you in this book. Because these are valued, as I said, at $30. But look, they came in 3 different colors you could choose from. I loved this seafoam green color. So pretty. Goes with my hat. Oh, I'm so ready to go on a trip. I love these. Goes this way. Love them. All right, there's still more goodies in here. What is this? Why? Do you not want to come check out all my goodies? Or are you not going to make it in this video at all? So this is the Swig Life Stainless Steel Stemless Cup. I love this. Wine not. Got my little straw here. I'm set. And the value of this is $17.95. It says still classic and still chill. The Swig that started it all. I love it. This is adorable. Adorable. So cute. Okay, and I think I have one more item. And this also, you got to make a choice as to what color and style you want. And yes, this is a little wrap. And I chose, so there was a wrap style in my spring one, and I chose like a pinky, so I chose blue this time. And look how pretty this is. I love how it comes in its own little bag. This is by Merci. Comes in its own little bag. How cute is that? It's a cotton tassel wrap. And it's actually 70 by 43 inches. And that's not including the tassels. And this is a hand wash piece, in case you guys wanted to know. I love this. So light and airy, and perfect for, yeah, perfect for cover up. So cute. And they show it. There was also some, like I said, some other colors. Here's a picture of how some of the other colors and how they're wearing them. I love it. All right, and this retails for $49, just so you guys are aware. So as I mentioned, you always get at least $200, usually more, for your $89. This one is valued at over $210, and I love these boxes so much. JJ does such an amazing job curating all of these pieces to get us all ready for summer. I love everything. So how awesome did she do with this box? All right, so quick recap, guys. I don't know. I think she knocked it out of the park with this one. I'm loving this hat. I think I'm going to keep it on today because I'm hoping to get in the pool. I love this wrap. How awesome are these flip-flops? Got to have the scrub. Need the body scrub for summer. The face oil. Got to keep hydrated. And who does not need this super awesome little... This keeps things up, cold up to 9 hours and hot up to 3 hours. Like, who does not need that right now? It's for now and later. All right, and then don't forget my beautiful bracelet. And they're all one of a kind. So that is everything, guys. This was an amazing box. And just so you guys know, JJ does always put some super awesome recipes in the back of her book. She has a summer Cobb salad back here, and she also has a beach boutique. So when you are a member, you get 25% off items inside her beach boutique as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I do. I love my beach subscription box by Oceanista. I will put all the information down below in case you want to check this subscription out. I hope you guys are already enjoying the subscription because it is the best beach box out there. Love it. Thanks so much for spending time with me. I guess YY's not going to join us. He's like sacked out on the deck, so I'll put a picture of him at the end. And until next time, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Please hang out with me and my happy clan here for the long haul. It really does help me continue to bring you new content. And I have the very best subscribers. To those of you that have already hit that subscribe button, thank you so very much. Stay safe and healthy. And until next time, bye, guys.